Hey everyone, welcome back to Droid Scripter. Today, we're building a countdown timer in Jetpack Compose using LiveData and ViewModel. This timer will let users enter any time they want, start the countdown, and reset it any time. It's a great beginner-friendly project to learn Jetpack Compose and MVVM architecture. First, we need to make sure we have the right dependencies. In your build Gradle file, add this. This allows us to use Jetpack Compose for UI and ViewModel with LiveData for managing state. Now, let's create our countdown view model. This is where we'll handle all the timer logic. We create a mutable LiveData called _time_left to store the remaining seconds. We also expose time left as LiveData so the UI can observe changes but cannot modify it directly. LiveData is an observable data holder class. Unlike a regular observable, LiveData is lifecycle aware, meaning it respects the lifecycle of other app components such as activities, fragments, or services. We declare a variable timer of type countdown timer. The question mark means it can be null, which is important because we will need to cancel and restart it when the user starts a new countdown. We set it to null initially because no timer is running when the app starts. We also define start time, which will hold the user's inputted countdown time. Now in next step, we create the start function for the countdown timer. Before starting a new countdown, we check if there's an existing timer running. If there is, we cancel it using timer cancel to avoid overlapping timers. Next, we store the user's input in start time and update _time left so the UI refreshes immediately. We now create a new countdown timer. The first argument is start time multiplied by 100L, converting seconds into milliseconds. The second argument is 1000, which means the timer updates every 1 second. Inside onTick, we update _time left with the remaining time, making sure it updates the UI in real time. When the countdown reaches 0, unfinished sets _time left to 0, ensuring the UI displays the correct value. Now we make the reset countdown function. If the user presses reset timer, we cancel the timer and reset _time left to the original user inputted time. To avoid memory leaks, we use override function on cleared. To make sure that when the view model is destroyed, the timer is properly cancelled to prevent memory leaks. Now, let's build the UI using Jetpack Compose. Here, we get the countdown time using observe as state. This ensures the UI updates automatically whenever _time_left changes. We also create a mutable state of variable to store what the user types into the text field. We place everything inside a column and use text to display the countdown timer. This is a simple text field where the user can enter the countdown time. When the user clicks Start Countdown, we convert their input to an integer and pass it to Start Countdown. The Reset Timer button simply calls Reset Countdown to reset the countdown. Now, let's test it out. Enter 60, press Start Countdown, and watch it counting down. Press Reset Timer and see it resetting back to 60. Awesome, it works perfectly. And that's it, you've just built a countdown timer using Jetpack Compose and LiveData. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.